Then I decided to do some rocker guard on it. I'm going to drive this thing lots, so help it a little bit from the stone chips and that. So yeah, that's where we're at. Should help protect it from some stones and stuff. So basically that frame will lay in here, it'll get welded to it, and then I'll have a steel section in here that has flanges and rivets onto everything. And then I'll have like a hump in here for the transmission, just for the top of the bell housing. But yeah. I know the fiberglass is kind of lumpy, but it's just for underneath or whatever, so no big deal. So yeah, that's just a quick little episode, but just keeps you up to date. Still got a lot to go yet, but we're getting there. Remember, I got some merchandise. You can click on the link in my channel here, but yeah, if you like what you see, stay tuned.